Riley, what are you doing, sweet girl? Is there a dog on TV? I don't know. Do you like doggies? You don't like them? Where's your bandana? No, I didn't say that. I said, where's your bandana? Where's your baby? Riley, where's your baby? I don't know. Find your baby. That's all your hair right there. You go find your baby? Where's your baby? Riley, where's your baby? I don't know where the baby is. Over there? Is it green? Where's the baby? Oh, that is not. Now you're just barking to bark. Silly. Oh, you got your bandana? Let me see it. Let me see it. Oh, Riley. That's kind of strong. You just walked right through your hair.